we released our Matrix kits.
Woo!
You can see here, Matrix Creator. This one is the Matrix Creator CV kit. We have 4 kits. So we have a Matrix Creator CV kit, a Matrix Creator kit, Matrix Voice CV kit, and Matrix Voice kit. In each kit is a power supply, a Raspberry Pi, an SD card pre-flashed with all of our libraries, Matrix HAL, Matrix Core, and all of our examples, plus a program that runs on boot, as well as either a Matrix Voice or a Matrix Creator, and in the case of the CV kit versions, they come with a Raspberry Pi camera. So here's the kit. It comes in this very nice carrying case. It's lockable, and then this is it.
Ta-da!
You can either go to our main website, matrix.one. You can go to our new store, which is store.matrix.one. And specifically, if you go to our educators page, you can see all the kits and what you can do with them. Bye!